Welcome to French Blonde Travels. I'm Renee. Thanks for tuning in. I am on day 2. I started driving this morning. I drove for about 90 minutes or so. And then I came to a Walmart because I needed some cream for my coffee. I had a cup of coffee before I left the rest stop this morning, but I didn't put any cream in it. So I made some breakfast here. I got dressed, and now I'm ready to hit the road again. So it's kind of a rainy, foggy day here. I'm still in Pennsylvania. I believe I'm still in Harrisburg. No, I'm beyond Harrisburg. And I am headed for Maryland. So let's get this show on the road. Part of the trip was pretty dry. There was no rain. It was pretty cloudy and gray, but I was very happy that there was no rain. Well, that was really quick. We are in Maryland. I've been driving like maybe 10 minutes, so yay, we are moving. I've driven through Maryland many times. Most of the time, it's raining. And so this dry weather that I was enjoying came to an end because it rains heavily in Maryland. This was just one of many, many slowdowns that we had. This one is in Frederick, Maryland. And there was a lot of slowdowns here, and it was probably because of the weather, but it gets to be old after a while when you're just sitting there and you're thinking you're making progress, but you're not. I was grateful that the traffic wasn't as heavy as it had been the day before, and I was able to use my cruise control and make some headway until the stoppages happened, of course. I expected this kind of traffic coming through DC area. It's just a given. I've been through here before, and it's always busy. And we're making our way to Virginia. So there's more stoppages, but what really got me was that Google did not announce my entry into Virginia. And I was kind of counting on that, and I never saw a sign that said "Welcome to Virginia." My first indication that I was in a new state was the signs along the road that indicated the Welcome Center. So every time I see a Welcome Center sign, I know I'm in the next state. So not seeing the Welcome to Virginia and not having Google announce it was a little disappointing, but the Welcome Center let me know for sure where I was. This was pretty much how the whole day went, and I felt like I wasn't getting anywhere at all. When I left Pennsylvania, Google Maps told me I had a little over 15 hours to go. And when I finished the day, it told me I had a little over 13 hours to go. So I spent a long time in traffic and didn't get very far at all. So, but the music on my radio was really kicking, so it kind of made it a little bit easier to travel. I was digging the music. This reminded me of the high-rise highways that I experienced in Houston. At least I was underneath them this time and not riding on them. So, I am in Virginia. I don't know if I said that. I've been in Virginia for a minute. Maybe a half an hour. And the weather is horrible. It's raining. Visibility is poor. And the traffic, at least I get to use my cruise control today. But there are long lines of traffic, especially coming through the DC area back there. That was some crazy traffic, man, I'm telling you. But Virginia, it's kind of touch and go. Here and there I run into patches of traffic slowdowns, but it's not too bad. I can at least go 55 most of the time. With this rain, I don't really want to go much faster than that because visibility is just in the toilet right now. And then I got stuck next to this truck and I couldn't get past him, and his spray is just spraying all at me. It was insane. So I finally was able to get away from him, but that's the thing about rain. You just get that spray from the cars and you just got to make sure your wipers are working. So this says Prince William County Stadium Complex. So is that where I am? Prince William, Virginia? I don't have any idea. I just know I'm in traffic now. Found a Cracker Barrel, and this is where I'll be for the night. And I just got a call from my friend Lulu. She's right behind me. So, but I don't think she's stopping at this Cracker Barrel. She wants to drive another half hour, but I'm done. I'm tired. And this was a stressful ride with, the rain, the visibility, the traffic. I thought that I would get to Florida by tomorrow, but I don't think that's going to happen because I'm only in Virginia, and I can usually get to Virginia in one day from home. So this is 2 days getting here. So, but I'm getting closer and closer. Traffic is crazy. Tomorrow is Sunday, so maybe traffic will be better tomorrow. We'll see. But that's my ride for today. I have a live coming up tonight. But this video will be after the live because I won't post it until tomorrow because I don't have time to edit tonight. So my travel down will now be a day behind. But, that's just how things go, I guess. It's been a long day, And now I'm gonna get ready for the live. So thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.